I am so excited that you are thinking about attending this workshop. And I'm going to tell you why. You know, over the years, I've worked with so many women, just like yourself, who have all these dreams that they used to have and then put it on the back burner when we became adults and had to do the adult thing. Where did we ever decide that dreams were only for the youth? When did that happen? And then also, we have been told that our dreams aren't like that important anymore. Definitely put away the childish dreams. What our dreams were the things that we wanted to do to make ourselves happy and feel alive and all of those things. So why wouldn't we have that as adults? So here is what this workshop does. It works with women like you. It's a short little 90 minutes of your life that could change everything while it still stays the same. So you're like, wait, that doesn't make sense. I want you to know that you can be happy. You can embrace your beauty, your inner strength, without even changing your life's structure. It doesn't blow up your relationships. It doesn't make you hate your job all of a sudden and leave and everything has to change. No. You know what? You can have the life you have now and you can make it everything that you want it to be. You are here to be joyful and happy and compassionate and loving, and all those things are in you. But too often, especially as women, we have these expectations placed on us that we then start to believe. That you have to give everything you have to everybody else and you can be last. No. The best way to do this is to take care of yourself and in being your best self. One who is free from depression, is free from anxiety, is showing the next generation how to be happy, how to be loving, how to get everything that you want. That's what we can have. This is who we can be. And this workshop is going to open the door for you so that you can see that. You're going to leave with a couple of skills that you're going to be able to incorporate into your life like that. That will help you to start finding the joy that you have already in your life, to find the gratitude, to find the amazing dreams that you've had all along that are still there. This one's going to show you how you can have those dreams and blend it with your current life so that you love everything about your life. Gosh, I cannot wait. I am so excited. So, first things first, be sure to watch your emails, okay? Because I'll be sending you some things because I want to start getting you thinking about a couple things before the workshop. Second, go put this on your calendar right now. Because if you're like me, if it's not on my calendar, it doesn't happen. And this is too important. You are too important to let this opportunity pass. You've been asking for this. This is why you're watching this video. It's 90 minutes that can change everything. Are you ready? Are you finally ready to be happy, to have peace, to love yourself, to love your life, to know that you are perfect? I can't wait to see you on Zoom.